welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I'm kind of excited. I had a box delivered and I'm not quite sure where it came from. So I don't have a lot of information about this, but I figured I would go ahead and open it with you guys because I'm not sure if it's a subscription box or what, because I went to the website and there's really not that much information other than how you can order different products. So again, I'm not really sure where this came from, and I hope I'm saying this correctly, but this is from Farmasi. And it says, "Welcome to Farmasi, Be Beautiful Team." So let's see what this is. Maybe there's some information inside. I'm not sure. I don't know where this came from. So let's see. It says, "Join the team and be beautiful. International manufacturer of beauty and body care products." This almost seems like minimum investment, leadership opportunity. This almost seems like reading that that it could be like Mary Kay or Avon or different things where you sell makeup products. So that's a little interesting. Oh, I ripped it. It had a little, oops. It says, "I love Farmasi" with some pretty tissue paper. And then, well, these are different swigglies than I've ever seen. So there's that. And then this is what it looks like inside. So there are products inside, but again, I'm not sure if this is a subscription or not, because their website, which is Farmasi, F-A-R, hold on, my brain stopped, FARMASIUS.com. And then it has /Be Beautiful right here. It doesn't have any information. I even searched subscription box. So I'm not really sure what this is. I mean, I know I didn't order this, so I don't know. But let's just get into the products. It looks like there's a few different products in here. So the first one I see is VFX Pro Camera Ready Perfecting Makeup Primer. Minimizes pores and lines, photo filter technology. It is oil free and it's for all skin types. So it's a primer. So this is what it looks like outside of the bag. Let's see if it has a safety seal. It does, so that's good. There's a safety seal. So there's a makeup primer, and I mean, that's a good size. So I would say this is full size. And then here we have Express Eye Pencil from Farmasi. And it is saying that these are cruelty-free. So I'm guessing that this is a cruelty-free brand. I'm not sure. Now the primer does not have it, but this does. Dermatologically tested. And this is in, it just says 06. It appears to be blue, which it is. It's just like a blue crayon or pencil. But yeah, so eye pencil. And then this says, this does not have the cruelty free, but this says lip conditioner. So and there's no like information card or anything. I don't know, it's kind of baffling me. Well, So this is the lip conditioner. The packaging is nice. It's kind of hard to see where it says Farmasi there. All right, so it looks like a regular like bullet lipstick, but it's a conditioner. And again, it really just doesn't tell me any information. Well, this says right here, a daily treatment that delivers concentrated moisture and visibly smooth texture. This powerful formula hydrates and conditions dry lips. Light texture leaves lips feeling soft, smooth, and comfortable. It says how to use, apply directly to lips whenever needed. Do not use on damaged or cracked lips. So it's just, I guess, basically like a lip balm. Maybe a little bit more conditioning than a lip balm. And then we have from Dr. C Tuna, activated charcoal black mask. This is formulated to purify the skin and pores with activated charcoal, pulling out blackheads and pore detoxifying. This is for all skin types. Is this one of those peel off masks? Peel off, yeah. This does say it's for all skin types. So there is that. And again, it does have a safety seal. Peel off masks make me nervous. I have like this love-hate relationship. I know they work amazing, but all right, and then this is from obviously Farmasi. VFX Camera Ready Retouch Skin Visual Effect Foundation. Photo filter technology. It's a full coverage foundation. And I'm guessing 00 is the shade. It's like just a little sample. And then it looks like we have one more product in here. I'm just double checking to make sure there's not like a, oh, there's no card, no note, no nothing. I don't know. So this is a matte lipstick with vitamin E. Does it have a name? It doesn't tell me. So let's just take a look. Oh, I like the feel of it. It's got that like soft matte feel to the container, to the product. You can see it says Farmasi. Just says 03, so I'm guessing that is the color. Oh, it's a really pretty red. And it's like your classic bullet lipstick. So that is really, really pretty. So I'm not sure again where this came from, or, you know, I tried to do research and find out if this is a subscription or what, and I can't. Only thing I can find from their website is it looks like you can order products unless it just missed, if I just missed it, and that there is a subscription option. Again, I do not know where this came from. Thank you for sending it to me, I guess for a review. But again, I don't know who did, why, or so this, I will put their website down below if you want to check them out. They seem to be, you know, skincare, makeup, they kind of cover it all, it looks like. And I noticed that on their website as well. They had quite a bit of skincare plus additional beauty products. So again, I'll put the website down below if you'd like to check them out. I'm sorry I can't give you any pricing information because I couldn't find it. So I know this video is a little wonky and I apologize, but I just wanted to share this with you guys and let you know about this website. So like I said, we'll put that down below. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a fantastic day, week. Everything is going great. Let me know your thoughts on these products, and if you check out the website, let me know if you're able to find out any information as far as a subscription, because like I said, I couldn't find one. And obviously there's no card or information in here. So I'm not really sure. It says your journey begins now. And like I said, the only thing in here, and there was 3 of them exactly the same. Join the team and be beautiful. So it's kind of like a, to me almost like a Mary Kay, an Avon, what is it, Lime Crime, or I don't even know, but the other, like, it just seems like a makeup where you sell makeup. So I'm not sure, but again, that is the box. So let me know your thoughts down below. Have you heard of this? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. So again, have a great day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.